What's up, guys? Today we're going to do an ATV sound test. Oh, I got the seat on for it. I was just doing a little bit of cleaning. I was just doing a little bit of cleaning. And I'm just. Yeah, that's it for that sound test. It's a 2008 Yamaha 250 Raptor. This Jeep we've been working on we have the parts. We just need to put them on. So we got the windshield there. We gotta buy glass. The transmission stuff. We got the straps right here holding up the transmission. Got new tires. We're gonna try to sell all 4 tires. 400 bucks. They are pretty good tread on them, but it's really just it's all terrains. Shop on size. I don't remember what size they are. 2 35 70 18 16s 16. Yeah. 2 35 70 16s. $400 for all four tires, rims, wheels and tires, all 400 bucks. Just comment below if you want them, then I'll give you my number and you can call them. I'll just give a look around at all 4. The reason there's not much air in it because that's it. It's been sitting for a while, but that one. Side tread, but same on all 4. There's that one, I can't really get to it. And that's gonna be it for this video. So we'll see y'all later. Peace out.